Hello viewers, I will show you how to delete account in Mobile Legends. Okay, let's start.
May the stars guide you to victory.
Click on open account. Click on account center. Click on cancel account. Scroll down. Open your account. So thank you. Thanks for watching my video.